Hey guys, welcome back to VTechnologies and welcome back to 90 Days AWS DevOps course. And my name is NagiReddy. Yes, మనకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు డే 59 అయితే ఆల్రెడీ మనం కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ డే 60. సో మనం డే 60లో మేజర్గా జెన్కిన్స్ని విండోస్లో ఎలా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. సో బేసికల్గా జెన్కిన్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్స్ ఆన్ విండోస్. సో దాట్ ఈస్ వెరీ సింపుల్ అండ్ వెరీ స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్. బికాస్ చాలా ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ స్టిల్ వాళ్ళ జెన్కిన్స్ సెటప్ని విండోస్లోనే రన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. దాట్స్ వై వీఆర్ మేజర్లీ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ హియర్. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ డిలే జస్ట్ గో టు ద జెన్కిన్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్స్ ఆన్ విండోస్ సర్వర్స్. Now we are going to install Jenkins on Windows Server. So now here I have selected Windows 11. So in Windows 11, how we are going to install? So just take a look. So before we going to install that, we should know some information about Jenkins. Let's say you are going to install Jenkins on Linux, or let's say you are going to install Jenkins on Windows or Mac. So in any operating system, so before we install the Jenkins, we should definitely install JDK on the server. Even we have a different types of Jenkins installations methods. So for every method, Java installation is mandatory. So whether it is OS, whether it is different Jenkins installation method, whatever it is. First of all, we should install the JDK. Then only we should go to the Jenkins installations. For that, I am going to install JDK on my Windows 11. So just navigate to the my browser. So here, this is the page where we can download the JDK. So here we can select operating system. So as we know already, we are focusing on Windows and what is the bit? So 64-bit and package type. So you're looking for JDK or JRE. So we should install JDK. So select JDK and also we have a versions also. I'm going with 17. So select that. So later we have a two types of formats, MSI and zip. This time I'm going with MSI. So simple click on MSI. So the download is going to start it. So it will take a bit of time. Now the JDK is completed. Now go to your downloads. So here there is a JDK that is recently we have downloaded. So just double click. Click on next. Accept the license. Next. So install for all users on the machine. Select that. Click on next. And after that, we need to set the JDK paths as well. So for that, we have an option. So select set. So that is the first option we need to select. Select. Click on next. Install. So it will take a bit of time to install that. Later, we can check from the command line. So finish it. Go to the PowerShell or command prompt, whatever you comfort. So now we can check Java hyphen version. Yeah. And also we will check whether Java paths set or not. So for that, go to your server and search for environment variables. Later select environment variables. So here we can see Java underscore home path is already set. And also if you come to here path, so click on edit. So there is a Java. So we are good with that. So Java installations and paths, everything, we are good. Now we are going to focus on Jenkins installations. So for that, I already opened the Jenkins download page here. So here we can see what is LTS like Docker, Kubernetes. Of course, here we are installing on Windows. So for that, just click on Windows. Our Jenkins software is going to download. It's in the progress. It will take a bit of time. Yes, Jenkins is downloaded. And again, go to your downloads. So we have a Jenkins MSI file. Just double click and click on next. And here I'm selecting the first option. So click on next. and we need to check whether the port number 8080 is available or not. So for that we need to click on test port. Yes, it's available. Click on next, 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 and install. So even it will take bit of time. Yeah, Jenkins installation is completed. Now you can simply go to your browser and search for localhost colon 8080. Simple enter. So the Jenkins installation started. So first of all, we need to unlock it. And for unlock, we have a key. So we need to get the location. What is the file information? Yes, see here. So this is the okay location. Just copy the path and go to your PowerShell and simple do cat and then path. So this is the token. Just take this and come to your Jenkins. Yes, paste over here. Click on continue. So later it will ask you to install the plugins. So where we have two options. So one is install suggested plugin or select plugins to install. So I will go with suggested plugin. Just click on that. So it is going to install couple of plugins. So by default, so even it will take bit of time to install all the plugins. Yes, the plugins installations are completed. So now we have to provide the usernames. So you can give your own name. Now I'm simply giving admin. All the required details we have to provide and save and continue. Save and finish. So that's it. So this is very simple way to install the Jenkins on the Windows. So where we can see all the options. If you want to create a jobs, you can select here. And if you want to configure anything in Jenkins, go to the manage Jenkins. So that is the settings in Jenkins. So this is a simple way to install the Jenkins. So that's it in the video. If you like the video, please like it. Without me, subscribe our channel. Thank you.